If you are using WordPress, plugins are what decide whether your website grows or struggles. The wrong plugins can slow down your site, hurt your Google rankings, and reduce your conversions. The right plugins can improve your traffic, protect your site, and turn visitors into customers. In this video, I will show you the must-use WordPress plugins that every serious website needs in 2026. These are not random tools. These are the core plugins that directly affect SEO, performance, security, and growth. If you are building a blog, business website, or online store, this plugin stack will give you a strong foundation. Let's start with the most important category. 1. SEO plugin. Every WordPress website needs an SEO plugin. Without SEO, Google does not properly understand your pages, your titles, or your site structure. That means less visibility and less organic traffic. The SEO plugin I recommend is called LionSEO. LionSEO helps you manage meta titles and descriptions, generates XML sitemaps, adds schema markup, and supports smart internal linking. These are the core elements that help search engines understand and rank your content. Many SEO plugins today are very large and include features that most websites never use. That often leads to slower websites and higher yearly costs. LionSEO focuses on what actually improves rankings and keeps everything lightweight and fast. If you want your content to appear in Google search results, an SEO plugin is not optional. LionSEO covers the most important SEO features that every WordPress site needs. Now let's move to the second critical plugin category. 2. Email. Opt-in. Plugin traffic alone is not enough to grow an online business. If visitors leave your site and never return, you lose long-term opportunities. That is why building an email list is essential. The email opt-in plugin I recommend is called Lion Leads. Lion Leads allows you to create pop-ups, slide-ins, inline forms, and exit intent forms directly inside WordPress. You can design your forms visually, connect them to your email marketing service, and start collecting subscribers in just a few minutes. There is no complex setup process and no heavy scripts that slow down your website. Once activated, Lion Leads quietly works in the background and turns visitors into subscribers automatically. Your email list is the only audience you fully control. Search engines and social platforms can change at any time, but your email list stays with you. That is why an email opt-in plugin is mandatory for any serious WordPress website. Next, let's talk about protecting your website and your data. 3. Backup plugin. Every WordPress website must have automatic backups. Updates can fail, plugins can conflict, and hosting servers can go down without warning. If you do not have backups, you can lose your entire site in seconds. The backup plugin I recommend is called UpdraftPlus. UpdraftPlus creates automatic backups of your website and allows you to store them safely in cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. If something goes wrong, you can restore your entire site with just one click. This protects your content, your design, and all your settings. Backups are not only for big websites. Small sites get broken just as often, and recovery without backups can take days or even weeks. If you care about your website, backups are not optional. They are part of the minimum setup. Now let's move to protecting your site from attacks. 4. Security plugin. WordPress is popular, which also makes it a common target for hackers and automated attacks. Even small websites receive constant login attempts and vulnerability scans. That is why a security plugin is essential. The security plugin I recommend is called Wordfence. Wordfence includes a firewall, malware scanning, and protection against brute force login attacks. It also alerts you if suspicious activity is detected on your website. This helps block threats before they can cause damage. Security is not something you add after a problem happens. It needs to be active all the time, even if your website is small or new. Protecting your site also protects your visitors and your reputation. Now let's talk about something that affects both rankings and user experience: website speed. 5. SpeedAmp performance plugins. Website speed plays a huge role in SEO and conversions. If your site is slow, people leave, and Google ranks you lower. That is why performance optimization plugins are essential for WordPress. One of the best premium options is WP Rocket. WP Rocket handles caching, file optimization, and performance tuning automatically with very simple setup. If your hosting uses LiteSpeed servers, LiteSpeed Cache is another excellent option with very powerful optimization features. For file optimization and code cleanup, Autoptimize is also commonly used together with caching plugins. These tools help reduce loading times and improve page speed scores. But it is also important to remember that plugins themselves affect speed. Using lightweight plugins like Lion SEO and Lion Leads helps keep your site fast because they avoid unnecessary scripts and heavy tracking. Speed optimization is not just about adding caching, it is also about choosing efficient plugins from the start. Next, let's talk about improving reach with social sharing and content distribution. 6. Image optimization. Plugins. Images are one of the biggest reasons WordPress websites are slow. High-quality images look great, but large file sizes increase loading times and hurt both SEO and user experience. That is why image optimization plugins are important. Some of the most popular image optimization plugins are Smush, ShortPixel, and Imagify. These plugins automatically compress images when you upload them and reduce file size without visible quality loss. They can also convert images to modern formats like WebP, which load faster in modern browsers. By optimizing images, you improve page speed, reduce server load, and help your site perform better in search results. This is one of the easiest speed improvements you can make on any WordPress website. Now let's move to social sharing. 7. Social sharing plugins. Publishing good content is not always enough. You also want your content to be shared on social media so it can reach new audiences. That is where social sharing plugins help. 3 good social sharing plugins are Lion Social Share, Social Snap, and Sassy Social Share. These plugins add fast-loading share buttons to your posts and pages and help control how your content looks when shared on platforms like Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. They also help set correct images and titles for social previews. This improves click-through rates and increases the chance that your content gets shared. Social traffic can support your SEO and bring visitors even when search rankings change. That is why social sharing is an important part of a complete WordPress plugin setup. Now let's quickly summarize the full plugin stack. Full recap. Let's quickly recap the must-use WordPress plugins for every website. For SEO, use Lion SEO to manage metadata, sitemaps, and schema. For lead generation, use Lion Leads to build your email list with pop-ups and opt-in forms. For backups, use UpdraftPlus to protect your site and restore it if something goes wrong. For security, use Wordfence to block attacks and scan for malware. For speed and performance, use WP Rocket or LiteSpeed Cache together with Autoptimize if needed. For image optimization, use Smush, ShortPixel, or Imagify to reduce image sizes and improve loading times. For social sharing, use Social Snap or Sassy Social Share to increase content visibility on social platforms. With this plugin stack, your WordPress website is already better optimized than most sites online. If you're looking for lightweight and affordable tools for SEO and lead generation, you can check out LionWP. Lion SEO and Lion Leads are designed to work together, stay fast, and focus on features that actually help your site grow. You can find the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more WordPress growth tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress videos.